If you are wondering if you can use Redmi Watch 6 without a smartphone, then the answer is yes. But you have to pair it with a phone first. So if you have the first configuration, you actually need to pair it with a smartphone. But once you do that, and once the smartwatch is updated and everything, and once you have access to the watch face and so on, then you can use it without the smartphone. So in this case, we have the initial configuration where we can choose the language, and then we have this QR code. We need to scan it on our phone to get the MyFitness app or MyFitness app, and then we need to scan it again in order to pair our smartwatch with our phone, and there is no way to actually skip that, to just go directly to the watch face and to, for example, open the apps list and so on and so forth. If you tap on this eye icon, then over here we have some information about the watch and we have system settings. If you, for example, press and hold the power button, then you should be able to open this menu where we can reboot, power off, or factory reset the smartwatch, but that's all we can do. So in this case, the first setup requires you to have a smartphone and pair it with your smartphone. There we go. So in my case, I just have paired the smartwatch with my smartphone. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go to Bluetooth, and I'm gonna turn off Bluetooth so that my phone is currently not connected to my smartwatch. And as you can see, I can still use it without any issues whatsoever. Of course, some of the features might not work properly. Maybe some data will not be connected and gathered in the MyFitness app, so you need to keep that in mind, that you might not be able to use everything. But some basic features should still work just fine, so you can use it without the phone at this point. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.